First of all, I wanted to welcome everyone to R&R. I know you guys have worked so incredibly hard to be here. This is about having fun and building relationships with people. And so I hope you go out of your way a little, meet people that you don't know. I think that's what makes our business special. Everyone is here to help you. One of the things that can really hit me is how much everyone has fun with each other. Everyone really enjoys each other's company, and I think that makes it really special. I want to say how impressed I am with everyone. I think what you do is incredibly hard with all the new people working for you. I think it's tremendous. The results that you get are unbelievable, so thank you for that. On behalf of Jim and Vera and me, thank you guys for all the hard work. Look forward to talking to you if I haven't talked to you yet, and let's just have a great time.